Brad?
Ano, bibili ka ng candy, Brad?
Oh, Brad? Ito na ba yung lens camera, Brad?
Oh, yan na yan, Brad. Tara, pasok tayo. Yan na nga mga fishing. Samahan natin si Mix Fishing Expedition. Bibili daw siya ng bagong laruan.
Hello, brother.
ഓക്കെ അത് ആ കുറച്ചിട്ടുള്ള എമൗണ്ട് മേലെ കാണണം. ആ 90,000-ൻ്റെ അകത്തുനിന്ന് 50,000
Ito na ba yung candy, Brad?
Candy yan, candy. Grabe yan. Yan ang mix fishing, mga fishing. At
അത് ഞാൻ അറിയില്ല
parang bumili na ng candy.
എത്രയാ ബാലൻസ് ഉള്ളതെന്ന്. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നലെ അത് ബാക്ക്
Tanungin mo pa yung price, Brad, din ah. Open price ba?
Magkano yung price nito? How much the price, brother?
Ito lang bibili niya mga fishing.
1 തൊട്ടിട്ട് ഇന്നലെ 22-ാം തീയതി വരെ
1,714.
പിന്നെ
Huwag mo na pakita. Meron na nga, Brad. May kasama na siya.
ഡെപ്പോസിറ്റ് ചെയ്തത് അത് ഞാൻ അവിടെ ദിവസം എഴുതിയതാ.
So, yun.
So,
അത് ആ
there is no...
അത് കഴിഞ്ഞ്
So, yun daw ang bibili niya. Tatanong pa ng SD card.
64.
Oh, 100 plus, ah? Never mind.
No,
After.
128 GB
128 GB, ah?
or 256 GB.
Okay.
Then the price?
Price
199.
175.
Okay, the cheapest one you have.
This one only working, brother. Other one is not working.
Thank you. Yan.
So, Brad, bumili ka lang ng candy dito, Brad.
Brad, ito. Masarap.
Grabe. Huwag mong galaw. Amazing.
Only this one?
You're not giving good discount, no?
That will be best.
Just this month also ay
Maganda kaya ito, Brad?
at yun na nga mga fishing.
Name, brother?
Adrian.
Binayaran na.
335.
At yun na nga mga fishing, binayaran na.
Siyempre.
Uy, kunin time yung warranty.
Ay, warranty pa. Patura.
It's here already mentioned.
Can you please explain to me because you don't know to read?
This one
Yeah.
broken, obviously no warranty. Okay. And the lens, if it's damaged, scratch or broken, damaged, nothing. Physically anything happened, that we are under warranty 1 year. Okay. This already mentioned 1 year warranty against manufacturer defects.
And all the manufacturer inside the system.
And that one also service warranty, not a replacement. If you give me this one carbon, then I need a new one. Like that, no. Service warranty.
Service mean?
Service means repair.
Repair.
Okay. So
Without any charges.
any underwater, we need to use for the case.
Okay.
But this one they already mentioned there is waterproof, right?
Waterproof, 10 meter only. After 10 meter, you need a.
Waterproof case. That's it.
That's it.
Okay.
Thank you for watching.
So yun na nga mga fishing. May bagong laruan na naman ang ating kaibigan. Bumili lang ng candy dito sa
Lens camera.
lens camera. Ang price nito, gusto nyo makita mga fishing?
Yan po.
Yan lang naman ang price. Amazing. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.